Look at this image. You have exactly 5 seconds to make a definitive decision for your life, money or peace of mind. Choose right now. Time is up. What did you choose? If you're like 90% of people, you instantly started justifying it in your head. Maybe you picked money, telling yourself it buys peace. Or you picked peace, accepting the idea that wealth only brings stress. But you know what the truth is? It doesn't matter at all what you chose. All that matters is, I caught you. In exactly 5 seconds, I made you play a rigged game. I installed a limiting belief, and you accepted it without a single objection. You accepted the lie that these two cancel each other out, that you must lose one to have the other. This is called a false dichotomy. It's the most effective control mechanism out there. Society puts a board in front of you with 2 predefined options. It forces you to be either broke and zen, or rich and stressed out. It blocks your brain from looking for a third option, because you're too busy picking the lesser evil between the first two. The problem isn't the board. The problem is you, because you believed you were forced to choose only what was offered. You forgot that you are the one who can change the rules. Money and peace of mind are not enemies. They form a perfect ecosystem if you know how to use them. Money buys you time and options, and time and options, guess what? They give you peace of mind. And from a state of peace and clarity, you make the best financial decisions, which generate even more money. It's not a game of sacrifice, it's a 2-piston engine. Next time life puts 2 uncomfortable options on a board in front of you, refuse to choose. Rip both papers off, put them in your pocket, and build the path where you can have both. Don't forget, it took me exactly 5 seconds to make you forget that.